stocks or real estate? The debate that's kept investors up at night, lost millions for some, and created empires for others. But here's the thing, if you're between 15 and 30 right now, and you don't understand which one fits your life, your dreams, your money, you're not investing, you're gambling. Pick wrong, and you'll waste the next 10 years of your financial life. Pick right, and you could be working on a beach while your money pays for everything. So, which one's better for you, real estate or stocks? Stick with me to the end, because I'm not only breaking it down, I'm revealing a hybrid strategy nobody's telling you about. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Also, quick question, if I told you a toilet could make you rich, would you believe me? We'll get there. Section 1, Accessibility and Entry Cost. Which can you actually start with? Let's talk about the entry game. You're 19. You've got a part-time job. You've saved $400. What now? Stocks? Boom. You're in. Fractional shares. Index funds. ETFs. You can invest while watching Netflix. Real estate? Not so fast. Down payments, closing costs, maintenance. Oh, and you better pray the AC doesn't break. For accessibility, stocks win early. You can build habits, grow confidence, and understand risk, all without betting the farm. But wait, easy to start doesn't mean best to finish. Because in the long game, real estate fights back hard, with something stocks can't do. Section 2, Leverage and Control. Who's really in charge? Imagine controlling a $300,000 asset, with just $20,000. That's leverage. And real estate gives it to you on a silver platter. Banks want you to use their money, if you're smart. Now imagine asking a bank, hey, can I borrow $200K to buy Tesla stock? Them, sir, this is a Wendy's. In real estate, you control the asset. You can raise rent. Renovate. Sell. Refinance. With stocks? You're riding the Wall Street roller coaster, eyes closed, hands up. But control comes with responsibility, and risk. And that's where people lose their shirts. So let's talk safety next. Section 3, Risk, Volatility and Liquidity. Can you sleep at night? Let's talk risk. Which would you prefer, slow, predictable cash, or a chance to double your money, with a side of ulcer? Stocks can be volatile. Real estate? Less so. It's like comparing a racetrack to a cruise ship. But real estate isn't immune. Bad tenants, market crashes, natural disasters. Trust me, when your tenant floods the bathroom at 2 a.m., it's very real. That's when you ask yourself, was financial freedom really worth the poop explosion? Liquidity matters. With stocks, you click a button, sold. Real estate? It's like selling a couch you glued to the floor. But what if I told you one of these could pay you, while you sleep? Let's talk passive income next. Section 4, Cash flow and passive income. The money that works while you don't. Cash flow is king. Real estate shines here. Rent checks. Predictable. Scalable. Tax advantaged. Stocks. You've got dividends, but unless you own a lot, that's lunch money. Real estate can fund your lifestyle. Stocks can fund your freedom, but it takes time. Fun fact, Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after turning 50. So if you're 22 and broke, you're right on track. But all of this ignores something crucial, the taxes. And this is where most people bleed money, without even realizing. Section 5, Taxes, Time and Lifestyle. Who keeps more of what they earn? Real estate gives you legal tax shelters, depreciation, 1031 exchanges, mortgage interest deductions. It's a tax playground. Stocks? Short-term capital gains can eat you alive if you're not careful. But lifestyle matters too. Real estate takes work, tenants, repairs, property management. Stocks? Set it, forget it, if you can stomach the swings. Real estate is like dating someone high maintenance but rich. Stocks? Low maintenance, but emotionally unstable. So what if you didn't have to choose? What if the real answer was both? The hybrid strategy for smart wealth. Here's the truth. The wealthy? They don't pick, they combine. Start with stocks. Build capital. Learn risk. Stay liquid. Then, deploy into real estate. Lock in cash flow. Own physical assets. Get tax advantages. Multiply wealth. You want freedom? You want the choice to work, not the need to? Then play both games, strategically. If you want a full breakdown of the hybrid blueprint, step by step, write down in the comments and subscribe. I'm building a new generation of financially free minds, and you're invited.